Ano ba? Siguro I don't wanna be selfish for this year. Ang gusto kong blessing na matanggap ngayong Pasko is for everyone to benefit from. I think ang blessing na yun is for everyone to be together again, kahit alam kong we have been through pandemic na lagpasan na natin yun. Alam ko meron marami pa rin mga tao, mga Pilipino na hindi kasama yung mga mahal nila sa buhay. With all the war and chaos na nangyayari sa mundo, it's hindering us to be with them, with our loved ones. So I hope and I wish for that blessing na for everyone to just be together and be able to be with their loved ones. Yun ang gusto kong blessing ngayong taon. I think siguro yung blessing na gusto kong maibigay sa iba is for them to know that when they're with me, it's a safe space. They can be themselves, who they really are, at whenever they need someone to talk to. I'm a safe space. I don't do judgment easily. Bibigyan ko sila ng feeling na whenever they confess or like they share something, it's being kept really safe and they can trust me with whatever it is that they tell me.